We always want to buy low and sell high to make a profit. But what will you do if the market is stable or just moving sideways? Obviously, you wouldn't be able to buy low or sell high. This is the situation where Binance Dual Investment can be very useful. Binance Dual Investment allows you to buy low and sell high. In case your buying or selling price target doesn't reach, you will still earn interest on your investment. Dual investment helps you to earn guaranteed passive income, no matter what happens in the market after subscription. Dual investment works in both directions of the market, that's why supports two different plans. Buy low and sell high. Let's see how sell high works. Suppose Paul has 1 Bitcoin and he wants to sell his Bitcoin at $35,000 in the next 7 days. Paul subscribed to the Sell High Dual Investment on Sunday with a target price of $35,000. The settlement date is upcoming Saturday and APY is 30%. Now on the settlement date, there are two possible scenarios. Scenario 1, if the Bitcoin price will be below $35,000, Paul will receive his 1 Bitcoin back, and he will also earn 0.0058 Bitcoin from 30% APY. Scenario 2, if the Bitcoin price will be above $35,000, Paul's Bitcoin will be sold, and he will receive 35,000 BUSD. And he will also earn 201.37 BUSD from 30% APY. Now let's see how buy low works. Suppose Paul has 25,000 USDT and he wants to buy 1 Bitcoin in the next 7 days. Paul subscribed to the Buy Low Dual Investment on Sunday with a target price of $25,000. The settlement date is upcoming Saturday and APY is 30%. Now, similar to the Sell High, there are two possible scenarios on the settlement date. Scenario 1, if the Bitcoin price will be below $25,000, Paul's USDT will be used to buy Bitcoin and he will receive 1 Bitcoin. And he will also earn 0.0058 Bitcoin from 30% APY. Scenario 2, if the Bitcoin price will be above $25,000, Paul will receive his 25,000 USDT back, and he will also earn 143.84 USDT from 30% APY. Please note, after subscribing to Buy Low or Sell High Dual Investment, you cannot cancel or redeem your funds before the settlement date. How to subscribe to Dual Investment? Log into your Binance account. Go to Earn. Open Dual Investment. Choose an asset you like to buy or sell. Then decide to buy low or sell high. Select a product depending on your desired target price, settlement date, and APY. Enter the amount you want to deposit, and click on the Subscribe button. Done, you have successfully subscribed to the Dual Investment.